This 2022 Forest River Grey Wolf 25 RRTBL Black Label is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Muskegon, Michigan, 49442 and is offered for sale by Lakeshore RV Center. This new Forest River is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 4, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Grey Wolf 25 RRTBL Black Label is 5,103 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Lakeshore RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.